Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the CarPod Go T3 Pro, a portable CarPlay dashboard console. This car display is compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. If you're looking to enhance your driving experience and upgrade your old car with a modern infotainment system, this might be a perfect solution for you. So let's get started with the unboxing and see what's inside the box. Alright, here's the CarPod Go T3 Pro. The packaging is sleek and minimalist. Inside we have the main unit with a striking fully illuminated Full HD display. Inside the box you'll also find a lot of different accessories, such as a suction console mount, a robust magnetic base and a fixed console mount, ensuring secure and easy installation. Plus you'll also find an instruction. You'll also find a USB Type-C cable for powering the device. Additionally, you can install a backup camera and a Bluetooth receiver if your car doesn't have one. My first impressions are rather positive. The build quality is very good and it has all accessories for the installation. It boots in just a few seconds. The touchscreen is very responsive and you can even select a logo of your car. I have a regular car, but I will select a Rolls-Royce badge, because why not? By the way, my car already has a built-in CarPlay system, but for some reason it's broken and I cannot connect my phone wirelessly. This is why I will be using the CarPod Go T3 Pro. So the connection process is very simple. On your phone, just go to your Bluetooth menu and connect the CarPod Go display. Wait a few seconds and you're ready to go. Now let's talk about the features. The T3 Pro has an impressive 60 FPS display that offers smooth and responsive operation. Say goodbye to any lag issues. The 8.9-inch screen is vibrant and sharp, with a brightness of 700 nits, ensuring excellent visibility even under bright sunlight. The seamless black texture of the display adds a touch of elegance to your car's interior. The screen is seamlessly integrated with the case, providing a sleek, all-black look and enhancing the visual experience. The magnetic base is incredibly strong, providing a stable mount so you don't have to worry about it moving during your ride. This CarPlay system supports automatic mode switching, CarPlay and Android Auto. Day and night modes switch automatically based on time. In the day mode, the screen's backlight sensor automatically adjusts brightness. In night mode, custom brightness settings switch automatically. With a resolution of 1920 pixels by 720, it offers superior color and clarity compared to other products on the market. Overall, the CarPod Go T3 Pro provides a premium and streamlined experience, making it an excellent upgrade for any driver seeking to integrate CarPlay into their vehicle. It's particularly beneficial for those whose cars lacked advanced infotainment systems. You can finally upgrade your car at a relatively low price and have it out of the 90s. So what are your thoughts on the CarPod Go T3 Pro? Would you consider this upgrade for your car? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.